Hey, here are the things that I like to do to ensure that I have a good day. I always start with coffee, but after that, I make my bed. I then say 3 things that I'm thankful for out loud, and sometimes I just have to say that I'm thankful for that coffee. But either way, 3 things. I like to stretch. 5 minutes, that's all it takes. Then I write down my 10 goals that I want to accomplish over the next 10 years. I also then write down those three things that I'm thankful for, and I always write down one thing that I'm praying for. I also then give a genuine compliment to someone. I do or say something that is kind for someone else, and doing that for a stranger is my favorite. Finally, I try to make one conscious better choice a day. Maybe it's a better food choice. Maybe it is changing a negative thought. Maybe it's doing a little bit more exercise. But I try to change one thing I don't like about myself or one thing that I would like to improve on, and just one a day. Start with one a day. I'm Autumn O'Connor with your daily inspiration. Subscribe for more.